miles away. I've been thinking of our future, cause I'll never see those days. I don't know why this has happened, but I probably deserve it. Tried to do my best, but you know that I'm not perfect. I've been praying for forgiveness, you've been praying for my health. When I leave this earth, hoping you'll find someone else. Cause yeah, we're still young, there's so much we haven't done. Getting married, start a family, watch my husband with our son. I wish that it could be me, but I won't make it out this bed. When I go to heaven, hope I see you once again. Yeah, my life is kinda short, but I got so many blessings. Happy you were mine, sucks that it's all ending. Don't stay away for too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed. And I don't stay away for too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed. Yeah, I'm happy that you're here with me. I'm sorry if I tear up. For me, you were younger, you would always make me cheer up. Taking goofy videos while walking through the park. I would jump into your arms every time I heard a bark. We would cuddle in your sheets until you sang me sound asleep. We snuck out of my kitchen at exactly 1:03. Sundays went to church, on Mondays watching movies. Soon you'll be alone, sorry that you have to lose me. Don't stay away for too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going